Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Sammy. It's good to be back, you guys. I've been busy with a bunch of little stuff. Got a new car, you know, and anyways, today's video is about the GX. I bought some Molle panels. Molle, I don't know what exactly how it's pronounced, but anyways, I finally got them. It took like a month, maybe a little more, since I ordered them, and I got them from Orange Box Fabrications, I think it's called, and price was pretty good, and it seems like the mounting is really easy and DIY friendly. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick and show you guys what came in the box. Also, the reason why I bought them is because I feel like that space where I'm putting the Molle panels on the rear windows is, you know, just a waste of space. So I figured I could mount you know, something there and use that space for something. And but yeah guys, that's what I'm gonna do today. Hopefully I have enough light to finish the install today. It's about what time is it? It's 5:30. Hopefully it doesn't take more than an hour. I don't think it should, but let's see how far we get. Otherwise I'll have to start filming tomorrow also to finish it up. And yeah, I'm rocking a mustache. You know, I don't see many people rocking a mustache, and I figured I'd give it a try. So if you guys don't like it, let me know. Alright, let's unbox this thing. Okay, so this is what is in the box. These are the panels, and I'm assuming this is the mounting hardware, like the screws and bolts and nuts. And yeah, they packaged it pretty nice. The pieces are in like some kind of a paper, because they are powder coated. So yeah, not bad. Let me unwrap these and show you guys what they look like. Okay, so here we have one of the panels. I'm not sure which side it is, but we'll figure that out. It's got a nice little cutout here. I think it says 460, which is a nice little touch. And then you got these little, I guess, mounting plates or brackets. They also have Gx460 cutout, so that's a nice little touch as well. And yeah, I like it. Good finish, good pretty good powder coating. I like it. So yeah guys, I'm gonna try and figure out and see how to install this. Didn't come with instructions. I know they have some instructions on their website, but there's no actual install video on this. So that's why I need to do this. Maybe they can link it on their website as well for other Gx460 users. But let's go ahead and dive into this. Okay, so I think I have it figured out. Gotta remove those handles right there, and this little cap here, and I'm pretty sure that's how it attaches. So alright, for that, let's get a tiny little bit so that we can pop open the, like a flat bit, so we can pop open the plastic on the grab handles, and then we can have access to the 10mm bolts and remove them. Alright, so take your little flat screwdriver, place it in the little crease right here, stick it in. There's your 10mm, and here's the other one. Alright, those are 10mm. Let's get those out. Alright, I got my little 10mm, and alright, let's do the other one. Alright, and that's one grab handle off. Let's go and get the hardware and start installing it. Okay, so I'm gonna use this for the driver's side, and this little bracket goes on top where the grab handle was. And I don't know if you can see it, but right here there's a little letter F. I'm assuming that means that that's the front side that should be installed with this in the front side. The other one also has the same thing. So, and then you gotta have, because this is not straight, all right, this is bent, so you gotta have this installed like this on the driver's side. You want this pointing towards you, this little bent part, from what I've gathered on the instructions on their website. So let's go ahead and try and install this. All right, so I think in the instructions it said to install this mounting plate first onto the car, but I just want to do it off the car. I feel like it's going to be easier for me. So I went ahead and got these little bolts and nuts and washers. They come pre-packaged, so I got one of these shorter ones. There's a pair of longer ones here, which I'm not sure where they go. I'll figure it out, but I use the shorter ones for up here. I haven't tightened these yet because apparently this thing slides forward and this thing goes up and down on this back one. So I guess you tighten it whenever you adjust it correct. So that's how I'm doing it. Maybe it's the wrong way, but you know, I DIY stuff. So let's keep going. Okay, so it's the next day. I wasn't able to finish yesterday. I had to tend to some business and didn't have enough sunlight to finish. So, but that gave me time to read the instructions a little better. So let me show you guys exactly where you got to put all the stuff and what bolts and stuff you got to use. I think I told you about this top bracket. This is how you install it. The little F facing forward towards the front of the car, and use a little shorter bolts and nuts here, and then this is the back of the vehicle. Right here at this little hole you install one of these little spacer thingies that comes in the hardware bag. This is like a little rubber foot right here, and this is your spacer, and then you've got a little screw here. So basically that goes right here between the panel and the vehicle. So you can go ahead and do that. Alright, so this is how it should look when you put it on. Right there. And you've got your top bracket. Remember, your top bracket and your bottom bracket that we're going to install, they got to sit behind the panel. So for the bottom bracket, which is this piece, you're going to install it on these two holes, and they're also going to be, you know, the bracket is going to be underneath. You put your little shorter screws in here, and then on this you install one of these long bolts and spacers like that, and then this attaches to the vehicle, and I'm going to show you where. Okay, so this is where you attach the bottom little bolt or long bolt. You just pop this off. Let's see if I can do it. So one hand, there we go. There is one screw in there. You can use a Phillips, or I don't know, that looks like an 8mm or something. But yeah, you get that out, and then that's where you mount that long spacer on the bottom bracket. Alright, you guys, so once you have all the brackets in and everything, all the hardware, this is what it should look like. This is your little bottom bracket right here. These are the little short bolts, and you got the little washers on top and washers on the bottom with the nuts. Same thing here, the shorter ones. And then to mount this up where your grab handle was, I initially thought that you reuse the original bolts that were for the grab handle, but I was wrong. You use these longer bolts that come with the kit. There's only 4 of them, so 2 for each side. And also you have this installed, the little spacer. And then now all that's left to do is go and install this, do the top first, and then do the bottom, and then tighten everything up, adjust it up and down, side to side, whatever you know you like, whatever location you like to have it set up on, and then that's it. And then tighten everything down. So let's go ahead and install this bad boy. Okay, we're in here. We're about to install the panel. Don't forget to remove this bottom screw bolt. It's actually the same size. It uses a 10 millimeter, the same one we used for the grab handles. So let's go ahead and do. All right, that's a little short one. Let's put that in the cup holder, and then we're going to need a, I don't know what that is, a 5 millimeter. I don't know. This is, I don't know what these are called. I forgot. 6-sided, whatever. But that's what you're gonna use to tighten these and the ones that go up here and all of them. And on the ones with the nuts, you're gonna have to somehow get your hand back there to hold the nut to tighten the bolts. I don't know, that might be tricky, so let me see. Okay, I have the longer bolts up in there where the grab handles used to be. That's just holding it in. They're not tightened down or anything. And now what's left is to do the bottom one. So basically, you take this, take the screw out, and then you put this spacer between the bracket, and the vehicle, between the panel, yeah, bracket and the vehicle, and you put that through there, and then you can start tightening those, do your adjustments. So let me go ahead and start that, and I'll show you guys in a minute. Okay, so I have these top ones tightened up, I have this tightened up, and I have this bottom one tightened up. Now I need to tighten these and these. I like the placement. Nothing really needs to be adjusted. The only thing I centered was these top ones, and that was pretty much it. Now to tighten these ones, I got this ratcheting wrench with a pivoting head, because I feel it's gonna be the easiest way to hold down the nut in the back. So you're gonna need a 10 millimeter. If you guys want to get some of these, I'll leave a link in the description. I guess you could do it with you know, regular wrenches, but I feel this one with the pivoting head is gonna be easier. So let me show you guys what I plan on doing. Basically, you know, take this, put it back here on the nut, just like that, and then from the front, just use this and then tighten it. So let me see if I can do it with one hand. Oh wait, I gotta flip it around. I thought I had it right. Alright. So I got it in now. And let's go ahead. Oh, it got out. Let's kind of tricky doing it with holding the camera. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it off camera. I can't do it while holding the camera. Sorry, guys. Alright, I have these, everything tightened down. For these ones right here, I couldn't fit this pivoting head, so you just got to do it with the open end, like so. And yeah, that's the only way to do it. This is what it looks like. Now you can you know, hang your stuff here, fire extinguisher, bottle opener, whatever you want. They got different models. They got one that says Gx460 on it as well. I don't know if I saw that one when I ordered mine. That might be new, I don't remember. But yeah guys, this is how you install it. Feels really solid. It's not going anywhere. This right here, this little foot is solid against the plastic panel, so there's not going to be any vibrations. Everything is super solid. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other one, and I'll show you guys the final result. Guys, I just realized something, and I thought of this morning that I had to do it, and I didn't do it. So I'm giving you a warning, you know, just a heads up. Make sure you clean the little windows before you install the panel. I'm gonna have to remove this panel to clean the window, because I don't think I can get my hand in there to clean up the window. So, but luckily I still have that panel off, so I'm gonna clean that window nicely, and then I'm gonna put my panel on. Here we have the finished product installed the other side as well. I made sure I used some Windex, cleaned it all up. So same thing for both sides, same installation, just you know, reversed. Some things are reversed. Now you don't have to get these Molle panels for both sides. You could just get it for one side if you want to. You can get it in any color you want. You can have anything you want, you know, like any logo etched or whatever, or cut out. You can have the Gx460 version that they have. Do I recommend this product? Yeah, I do. Very well packaged. All the bolts and nuts and everything is packaged individually, you know, so you don't mess them up, you don't lose them. Installation is super easy. All of the hardware is precisely cut out. Seems very sturdy, nice quality finish. And yeah, I definitely do recommend getting this, you guys, if you want to make use of that space. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Let me know what you think of the mustache. I think it's making a comeback probably, or I'm making the comeback of the mustache. But anyways, like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you for watching my videos, and see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.